So, second part of our banking application. Guys, in the previous lecture, we said we are going to expert and we are going to dive into all of these. So, let's do this. First of all, I want to here remove all of these and this and this. So, let's do this one more step here. For example, I want to say SOUT, how many money, how much money, let's say, how much money you want to transfer. And here we want to get output that, for example, our user wants to say, I want to transfer $100, and let's take this amount from our user. I think maybe most of you guys already get this. Let's write integer transfer equals scanner dot next integer. So let's write this. What we did here, we said integer transfer, we created integer transfer variable and variable name, and here we said that our value will come from our user. So let's see, guys, our user will enter an input here. For example, let's write 100 and we will transfer $100. So let's do this again. Here, for one it's not. Let's change this to 2, and here let's do how we can handle it. Let's remove this from here to here. Let's write here 1, 2, and here 1. SOUT we wrote this, and here for the 2 we said money transfer, and we transferred our money. So for example, our for example, here for 2, let's define our bank account. Let's write SOUT, and I'm going to write how much money you have. And here our user will enter her account or her balance, and we will see how much money he or she got. For example, if his or her money is $50, and if user want to send $100, we will say you cannot send $100. So let's do this. I know it's much more complicated than before, but do not worry, guys, it will be okay. So let's write this. How much money you have? Let's write here, do you have, and let's write here integer balance equals scanner dot next integer. Never used. Yeah. So I'm going to write here. We gave our user information, and here we say, actually we said how much money you want to transfer. So guys, if he did both of these successfully, what's going to happen? Let's write here SOUT, and let's give information. You transferred your money and let's write here your current balance. Here we wrote balance is and here guys we have to do some arithmetic example. Let's write, for example, here I'm going to write balance minus transfer. Why did I do that? Because, for example, his balance was 500 and he or she wants to transfer 100. Our user's balance will be here balance minus transfer. So we did our transfer and let's write here so guys, so we gave our message here and we finished with our second operation. So let's handle and let's repeat this again. What we did, first of all, we said how much money you have, and we asked our users balance, and he or she said our balance. For example, let's write 100, and we said how much money you want to transfer. Here he or she said 50, and we did this. But let's guys do this much more complicated, but not for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to do this much more complex. So let's go to the 3, what we said, click to get money. So let's write SOUT, and I'm going to write how much money you, let's here integer money equals scanner dot next integer. And first of all, let's here also enter your balance. User entered his balance, and let's write here integer balance equals scanner dot next integer. We got balance and we asked money. Let's do this same operation, same as here, and let's write SOUT. You got your money, and here let's write money, and let's here write your current balance is balance minus money. So guys, we did our banking application here again, and in the next lecture we are going to dive into much more harder and expert. Let's test this application and let's run this. So welcome our banking application, our operations. For example, I want to say money transfer 2. How much money do you have? For example, I have 1,000 and I want to transfer 500 and my balance is 500. Congratulations. Let's do this again. 3. Enter your balance. My balance is 100. How much money do you want to take? 10. You got your money 10. Your current balance is 19. So this was our banking application, guys. I think it's perfect, but in the next lecture we are going to add much more stuff here, and let's see in the next lecture.